Hello students, I am going to continue with the chapter Trigonometry part 1st of 11th Science. Exercise 2.2 question number 5. So the question is 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 0. Then we have to find out the value of cos theta. So from this question we take sin theta as a common. So sin theta in bracket 2 sin theta plus 3, because sin theta is taken common here, is equals to 0. नाउ यहाँ पे हमें दिख रहा है कि ये दो जो मेंबर्स है यहाँ पे, दैट इज साइन थीटा इंटू, देयर इज़ नो एनी साइन, मतलब यहाँ पे इंटू है, साइन थीटा इंटू 2 साइन थीटा प्लस 3, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 0 है, मतलब आइदर साइन थीटा इज 0 और ये ब्रैकेट 0 है. तो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0 मैंने लिखा है, और 2 साइन थीटा प्लस 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू sin theta is equals to sin 0, because the sin 0 having the value 0, and 2 sin theta is equals to minus 3, and so sin theta is equals to minus 3 by 2. But you have to take in consideration, that is the value of sin theta always lies in between, that is sin theta is less than equals to 1 and greater than equals to minus 1. मतलब sin theta की जो वैल्यू है वो -1 to 1 इसके रेंज में ही रहती है. So sin theta is always lies in between -1 to 1, and so ये जो वैल्यू यहाँ पे आई है it is unaccepted, and so the value of theta is 0. and यहाँ पे हमें जो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है वो है cos theta. तो यहाँ पे cos theta हम लेंगे, और थीटा की जो वैल्यू है वो 0 है, मतलब we have to find out the value of cos 0, and which is nothing but 1. Now see the question number 6. So in question number 6 we are given, that is 2 cos square theta minus 11 cos theta plus 5 is equals to 0, and we have to find out the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equals to x. यहाँ पे जो हमें दिख रहा है वो एज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जैसा पैटर्न है. सो cos थीटा के लिए हमने x कंसिडर किया है. सो 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 11x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो यहाँ पे हमें जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन दिख रहा है वो इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 5 इंटू 2 दैट इज 10. So we have to find out the factors of 10 whose addition is 11. So 10 and 1. So यहाँ पे 10 के लिए हम साइन देंगे माइनस, and 1 के लिए साइन देंगे अगेन माइनस, because we have to want here that is plus sign. So minus minus it becomes plus, and we can write it like this way, that is we have to write down the first term as it is. After that, instead of this minus 11 we are going to write down these two numbers. You already learn it in the 8th standards as well as 9th and 10th. So minus 10x and minus 1x, and the last term is as it is, that is 5 is equals to 0. Now we are making two group of 2. So 2x square minus 10x का एक ग्रुप हमने बनाया और इसका एक ग्रुप बनाया. So from this group we take 2x as a common. In bracket we'll get x minus 5 minus 1 in bracket x minus 5 is equals to 0, and so x minus 5 is common, and the second bracket is 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Again here the product of two bracket is 0, means either the first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. So I write here that is x minus 5 is 0 or 2x minus 1 is 0, and so x is equals to 5 or x is equals to half. Again here we put, that is x is the substitution for cos theta. So we are going to put down the value of x, that is x is nothing but the cos theta. So cos theta is equals to 5 or cos theta is equals to half. Again the value of cos theta is again ranges in between 1 to minus 1, means cos theta is less than equals to 1 and greater than equals to minus 1, and so this is not possible, that is the cos theta is 5 is not possible, and so we are taking only one value, that is cos theta is equals to half. And in question we have asked about the value of cos theta. So the value of cos theta is half. This is the answer. Now we are going to start with the next question, that is question number 7. That is find theta if 2 cos square theta is equals to 3 sin theta. यहाँ पे जो हमें एग्जाम्पल दिया है उसमें हमें क्या करना है, थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, और हमें दिया है दैट इज़ 2 cos square theta is equals to 3 sin theta. Now I am going to start with this one, that is 2 cos square theta. We are taking this quantity to left side. So 2 cos square theta minus 3 sin theta is equals to 0. Here we put down the value of cos square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. So you know the trigonometric identity. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1. यहाँ से हम कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो मूव दिस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा टू दिस साइड. So we'll get 1 minus sin square theta, and this value I put here instead of cos square theta. And now we're going to multiply the bracket by these 2. So 2 ones are 2 and minus 2 sin square theta, and this 3 sin theta is as it is. Now we're going to arrange in order wise, and also we're going to remove this minus sign by multiplying with the minus sign. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि ये जो साइन है यहाँ पर भी साइन है. सो वी गोइंग टू अरेंज इट इन द डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब जिसका ऑर्डर ज़्यादा है, पावर ज़्यादा है, उसको हम पहले लेंगे. सो 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा पहले आएगा, उसके बाद 3 साइन थीटा आएगा, उसके बाद ये नंबर आएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट वाला टर्म है वो माइनस है, तो मैंने इसी जगह पे माइनस साइन से उसको मल्टीप्लाई भी किया है. तो ये माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा, ये भी माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा, और ये प्लस है वो माइनस होगा. जस्ट चेंजिंग द साइन. So 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2. So here we get the quadratic equation. We can solve it as it is, or we can place as a x for this sin theta. So 2 into 2, that is 4. And so we have to find out the factors of 4 whose subtraction is 3. And so the factors are 4 and 1. We always give the middle sign number, middle number sign to the large number, that is plus 4. And to get this minus, we have to write here minus, because plus minus is minus. So 2 sin square theta is as it is. After that, instead of writing this 3 sin theta, we write that is plus 4 sin theta minus 1 sin theta and minus 2. That is first and last term is as it is, and instead of this 3 sin theta, we use these 2 terms. After make a group of this first 2 and next 2. From first group, we can take common as a sin theta, that is 2 sin theta I take common here. So here we get that is sin theta plus 2. यहाँ से हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेंगे, माइनस 1. सो ब्रैकेट में आएगा sin थीटा प्लस 2. तो sin थीटा प्लस 2 कॉमन होगा, और इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट वी गेट 2 sin थीटा माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो यहाँ पे दो ब्रैकेट का प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 0 है, मतलब आइदर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट इज 0 और सेकेंड ब्रैकेट इज 0. सो sin थीटा प्लस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0, और 2 sin थीटा माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. So sin theta is equals to minus 2, or sin theta is equals to half. So these are the values of sin theta. But in this example, we have to find out the value of theta. And we know that is the theta, that is sin theta always ranges in between minus 1 to 1. So I write here that is sin theta is less than equals to 1 and greater than equals to minus 1. But in this example, it is not possible, that is sin theta is minus 2. Sin theta is minus 2 is not possible. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है, दैट इज साइन थीटा इज लेस दैन इक्वल्स टू 1 ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1. सो साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 इज नॉट पॉसिबल, एंड सो वी टेकिंग ओनली वन वैल्यू, दैट इज साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ. एंड विच एंगल ऑफ साइन हैविंग द वैल्यू दैट इज हाफ, दैट इज साइन 30. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग हाफ, वी राइट हियर साइन 30, एंड सो इक्वेटिंग वी गेट दैट इज थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 30. नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. So find the acute angle theta if 5 tan square theta plus 3 is equals to 9 sec theta. तो यहाँ पे आपको पता है the relation between sec and tan, that is sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. तो यहाँ पे हम instead of writing tan, we can put the value that is sec square theta, that is tan square theta. यहाँ पे देखो आप, ये tan square theta मैं यहाँ पे रखूँगी, और ये 1 यहाँ पे आके माइनस होगा. So we get here sec square theta minus 1. And we putting this value for tan. So 5 in bracket sec square theta minus 1. ये यहाँ से लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा, तो माइनस 9 sec theta plus 3 is equals to 0. Now we going to multiply this bracket by 5. So we get here 5 sec square theta minus 5 minus 9 sec theta plus 3 is equals to 0. So we arranging it order wise. So 5 sec square theta, after that we write 9 sec theta, and minus 5 plus 3, so the answer is minus 2 is equals to 0. तो यहाँ पे 5 2s are 10, so we find out the factors of 10 whose subtraction is 9. So 10 1s are, so 10 के लिए साइन आएगा माइनस, एंड 1 के लिए आएगा प्लस, बिकॉज वी वांट हियर माइनस. तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है दैट इज़ 5 sec square theta minus 10 sec theta यहाँ से, एंड प्लस 1 sec theta minus 2. Making the group of 2, and here we take the common, that is 5 sec theta in bracket sec theta minus 2 plus 1 in bracket sec theta minus 2 is equals to 0. So again we get the common, that is sec theta minus 2. So it is as it is, and in second bracket we write that is 5 sec theta plus 1 is equals to 0. So sec theta minus 2 is equals to 0 or 5 sec theta plus 1 is equals to 0. So sec theta is equals to 2 or sec theta is equals to minus half. Again the sec theta is equals to minus half is not acceptable. It is unacceptable because you know that is the value of sec theta could not be minus since it is the inverse of cos. And यहाँ पे sec theta, the value of sec 60 is 2. So we putting instead of 2 we can write here sec 60, and so theta is equals to 60 degree. After that, question number 9, that is 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equals to 4, and here we have to find out the sin theta. So 4 sin theta minus 4, हम क्या करें, अभी sin theta और 4 को एक साइड पे लेंगे और cos को हम एक साइड में लेंगे. So 4 sin theta minus 4 as it is, and we moving this quantity to this side, so it becomes minus 3 cos theta. Now squaring both sides, what we get? So we put the bracket and squaring here, minus 3 cos theta bracket square. So squaring this, what we get, that is 16 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta. Just we use the formula, that is a minus b bracket square. All of you know this formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this formula we expand this bracket. So a square, that is 4 sin ka square, that is 16 sin square theta minus the product of these two and its double. So 4 4s are 16, uska double है 32 sin theta and plus 16, and the square of this one is 9 cos square theta. So 16 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta plus 16 is equals to the 9 as it is, and again we putting the value of cos square theta, that is sin 1 minus sin square theta. Since we know the trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and so the value of cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 16 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta plus 16 is equals to, we multiply this bracket, that is 1 minus sin square theta by this 9. So we get here 9 minus 9 sin square theta. Now move all quantities to left side. So we get here 16 sin square theta. After that this 9 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta plus 16, and this minus 9 to one side is equals to 0. So 25, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25 sin square theta minus 32 sin theta plus, that is plus 16 minus 9, that is plus 7 is equals to 0. So here we get again the quadratic equation form. So we putting sin theta is equals to x, and so here we get that is 25x square minus 32x plus 7 is equals to 0. So again 25 into 7, that is 175, and we are having the factors for 175 whose addition is 32, that is minus 25 and minus 7. So we write here, that is 25x square minus 25x minus 7x plus 7 is equals to 0. आपने ये सब पढ़ा है 8th स्टैंडर्ड में, 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा ये फास्ट ले रही हूँ. After that we make a group of these two and we taking the common, that is 25x is common, so in bracket we will get x minus 1 minus 7 in bracket x minus 1 is equals to 0. So in first bracket x minus 1 and in second bracket 25x minus 7 is equals to 0. यहाँ पे दो ब्रैकेट्स का प्रोडक्ट 0 आ रहा है, मतलब आइदर फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट इज 0 और सेकंड ब्रैकेट इज 0. तो मैंने फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के लिए 0 लिखा है और ये सेकंड वाला भी 0 हो सकता है. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड x इज इक्वल्स टू 7/25. बट द you know that is the sin theta ranges in between minus 1 to 1, so it is unaccepted, and so the value of sin theta is equals to 1. So in our question we asked about the value of theta, that is sin theta, so the value of sin theta is 1. Now see the question number 10. So the question number 10 is, if cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 5, then evaluate the sec theta. मतलब हमें कोसेक थीटा और कॉट थीटा की वैल्यू दी है और हमें सेक थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो कोसेक थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 5. वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ कोसेक थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइन एंड कॉस. सो वी कैन राइट कोसेक इज द इनवर्स ऑफ साइन, सो 1/sin थीटा प्लस कॉट मतलब कॉस अपॉन साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 5. यहाँ पे हम LCM लेंगे, द बेस इज सेम, दैट इज साइन थीटा. सो इन द न्यूमरेटर 1 plus cos theta is equals to 5. We move the sin theta to this side, so 1 plus cos theta is equals to 5 sin theta. And so squaring both sides, what we get? So 1 plus cos theta bracket square is equals to 5 sin theta bracket square. So यहाँ पे स्क्वायर करके हमें मिलेगा, दैट इज़ 1. The product of this two and double, that is 2 cos theta plus cos square theta is equals to, when we square this we get that is 25 sin square theta. So 1 plus cos theta plus cos square theta is equals to, we put again here the value of sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Since we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, so we find the value of sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So these three terms are as it is. Now we are going to multiply this bracket by 25. So 25 ones are 25 minus 25 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta plus cos square theta plus, we are moving this to this side. So 25 cos square theta minus 25 is equals to 0. Now see this 25 cos square theta and this 1. So here we get, that is 26 cos square theta, 25 plus 1, that is 26 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus 24 is equals to 0. So यहाँ से हम 2 कॉमन लेंगे. सो इन ब्रैकेट 2 विल गेट 13 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. वी टेकिंग 2 एज अ कॉमन. सो यहाँ पे आएगा 13 cos square theta, यहाँ पे आएगा cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we moving this 2 to this side, so it becomes 0. So 13 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. So यहाँ पे हमें फैक्टर्स ढूंढने, that is 13 into 12 and the subtraction must be 1. So the factors are 13 and 12. So plus 13 and minus 12. So 13 cos square theta plus 13 cos theta minus 12 cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. Making the group of 2. So we get here 13 cos theta in bracket cos theta plus 1. And यहाँ से हम कॉमन लेंगे, दैट इज़ minus 12. So in bracket we'll get cos theta plus 1. Again cos theta plus 1 is common, and in second bracket 13 cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. The product of these two is 0. So either the first bracket is 0, second bracket is 0. So cos theta plus 1 is 0. 13 cos theta minus 12 is equals to 0. So cos theta is equals to minus 1 और cos theta is equals to 12 upon 13. तो यहाँ पे हमें sec की वैल्यू पूछी गई है. तो sec is the inverse of cos. So यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा sec theta is equals to minus 1 as it is, or sec theta is equals to 13 upon 12. So this is all about the first 10 examples of the exercise 2.2. The remaining examples we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.